Hey, it's me, Brian, with TeachSelfAwareness.com. Welcome back to the video series, How to Build a Law of Attraction Magnet. Yes, a magnet. And this is part 3 of the series. This one talks about power. Power. We're going to be able to get the power we need in order to energize that magnet to be able to pull the thing that we want to have happen in our lives right down into the world. So, let's get started. Now, power for this series is simply belief. Belief. Now, I'm not talking about like a hope or something like that. Like, I'm just going to try to pretend to believe. No. It's more of a surety, of a knowing, of a 100%, yeah, that's a done deal type of a confident knowing. So we want to develop that. That's what we need. That's power. That's power. So, how do we do that? Well, let's look at the material world, things that have already come to pass in our personal world. They're easy to believe, aren't they? Seeing is believing, right? Physical seeing, for most of us, is believing. So, you look at your apartment, you look at your house, you're like, yeah, that's real. Yeah, I believe that. See, it's a doubt-free surety. Look, my hand, you're like, yep, that's a hand. Yep, that's a ring. Yep, that's a pause and get calm bracelet on his wrist. Yep, I believe those things. See how it is? No doubt, doubt-free zone. That's what we want to develop. The ability to be doubt-free, to know something. But we're not talking about knowing things that we already know. Who cares about what we already know, right? That's all old. What we want is to renew our mind, to renew our lives, to renew what is in our present. And if we're going to do that, we're going to have to see something and believe it before it is a material thing, or before it has come to pass in our timeline, in our personal story, our memory, our history. Okay, so this part's easy. It really is. You already have what you need to do this, right? You are a self that is aware. You have awareness, consciousness, this canvas of anything is possible, this blank movie screen. And here's the big idea. From here on out in life, just decide to accept the idea that what you can see in your consciousness is real already. It already exists, or you wouldn't be able to imagine it and see it. It already exists. Everything that can exist already does exist here and now. This is the one thing that changes everything. The one concept, the one idea, the one thing to buy into that will unlock a treasure of infinite possibilities coming into your life. It really is the core of the magnet. It really is the pearl of great price. So, what am I saying? I'm saying that if you are self-aware, and you have come to recognize this presence, this consciousness, this canvas of anything is possible, then you have the ground that you need to be able to dip into your personal memory and paint a picture from the stuff you already know. You can assemble it in a new way, a new pattern. And when you assemble it up here in consciousness, then you can view it and feel a feeling from it. Feel an emotional flow of power as you're watching it, right? Just like it was a material thing, you're watching a conscious thing. As you watch it and you feel that frequency, that emotional vibration, that energy signature, that wireless address of it, that unlocks a flow of power. And all you do is see that, feel that, and know that it already exists. It's a knowing. It's a power. Power is knowing beyond a shadow of doubt that something already exists. That's called faith. That's called pretending. That's called making believe. And really, it is child's play. Really, this is the key. It's so simple. Just pretend that what you see in your conscious space is already real. And now what's really going to happen is that now that you've viewed it and felt it, now your whole body and your whole five senses are all reprogrammed. This body, this limited self, it's all reprogrammed and readjusted. The lenses are all tweaked to be able to spot bits and pieces in the world that match your consciously viewed story. And that's going to start to come together. And as it does, you're going to feel, oh, it's happening. Oh, I'm seeing it. Oh my God, this is really real. Oh my gosh, right? And your faith, your belief, your knowing is going to increase. You're going to expand your ability to believe in new things. Before you know it, you're just going to be dropping them right down, right? Right down from the anything is possible land. So that's power. That is power. There's power in knowing that everything that can exist already does exist. And it's just a matter of seeing it and feeling it in your consciousness, your awareness, your spirit. So as you walk through your day, you're going to find reminders in your apartment, in your house, that match the new story that you've been imagining. You're going to be like, wow, I never saw that there. I never saw that in that way. Everything's going to take on a renewal. And before you know it, the thing you wanted, the thing you were preferring, is going to come to pass in your personal life. I already ran that marathon. It's already done. Now that I know that, all that worry, that doubt's all gone. I am in a powerful position of enjoying life. It's so good. Enjoying life when it comes to that marathon. Nothing I need to do except the next natural thing I'm sort of led to do. And I just sort of fluidly flow into that experience. And I get friendly little snippets, puzzle pieces throughout my day of the marathon evolving. And I'll be up here soon enough putting that 26.2 mile sticker on the back of my RAV4 or a new vehicle. Why not? So enjoy your day, right? Enjoy knowing in your consciousness, knowing in your awareness, and feeling the things already exist. Enjoy getting what you want with the law of attraction magnet. Enjoy your awareness.